Hi, Jim Mathers, President, Energy Professionals. This is your Energy News Today. Now look, you don't have to live in Florida to have sun shining down on you every day. Now here's the thing. We go outside sometimes, we put our face up and we go, it feels wonderful. But how many people are going, wow, that's a lot of energy. Why don't I tap that energy for my business or my home? If you're in Florida, right now, I'm telling you, my friends are calling me and saying, Jim, can you help me with my house? And I'm going, yeah, I can help you with your business, your home. We can help put solar on your roof right now, reduce your monthly costs for the utility company, and you are now using the sun to power your house. Even better, if we go with battery backups, you are protected from hurricanes, or like me, where I live in part of Florida, we lose power all the time for no apparent reason. I was just talking to a buddy of mine today. While we're on the phone, the power went out 3 times. So he's sitting there in Dunedin going, what do I do? Well, there's not much you can do unless you have battery backups and solar on your roof. And we can do this for about the same monthly cost as you're paying right now. Give us a call today to see how we can help you use the sunshine to power your house or your building.